Hello, it's Alan McIlroy here from Berthon International, and we represent Solaris Yachts here in the UK, and interestingly actually in a few other territories as well. While at Cannes this year, I thought I would grab the opportunity to pop over a number of the yachts. So we're about to have a quick look over this rather beautiful Solaris 60. It's one of the more recent designs from Solaris by Javier Soto Acebal. This particular example is a rather nice yacht featuring a metallic grey topsides, full teak decks and a hull spars carbon rig. So set up for some proper sailing. Nice detail there of the B&G Nemesis on the mast as well. And the self-tacking track nicely recessed into the deck. A spacious cockpit with the wheels well set outboard, giving it the optimum view forward for the helmsman. Another nice detail of the rig, this particular yacht sports a carbon rig, but that's also EC3 rigging there that you can see. Moving forward on these gloriously clean foredeck, we have a rather nice sculpted bowsprit there with integral bow roller, underdeck furling on the head sail and a recessed furler for the code 0 as well. Particularly nice view aft there with those rather luxurious teak decks and Solomar flush hatches. Now, important date for the diary, the next opportunity to see these beautiful yachts in the flesh will be Boot Düsseldorf. That's from the 20th to the 28th of January 24. Now it is quite a busy show, so if you would like to make an appointment to come and view one of our yachts, please feel free to get in touch with me. At the show we're going to be exhibiting the 50, 60 and 64 RS. There we go, that rather good looking rig by Hull Spars in carbon. It sports a V-profile furling boom as well, which means you've got all the performance of a nice fully battened main, but with the ease of handling that comes with the furling. Spray hood, of course, is recessed into the deck below the teak there as well. So twin pedestals, both sporting a nice complement of controls and B&G instrumentation. Custom solution there for the Starlink antenna. Centrally we have a large dinghy garage and hydraulically operated transom door, and then port and starboard you've got two fairly spacious lazarettes. And a very quick detail there of the pop-up helming seats as well. Common feature throughout all of the Solaris yachts is the lines all led aft to the back of the cockpit with two banks of jammers, then supported by two winches. Generally speaking, high Harken Performer winches, and these will be a combination of powered or manual. On this size of yacht though, generally powered. Now this is just a quick peek through, so I'll keep it brief. But stepping below, a glorious oak interior. The galley on the 60 set forward, full width, which gives a rather spacious galley. Hello from the skipper there. So a really well appointed galley, lots of refrigeration, induction hob, twin stainless sinks, all finished off to beautifully clean, high standard. Trademark of Solaris Yachts is very simple, clean lines, well executed. And no shortage of refrigeration there, as you can see. Three cabin boat, the 60, although there is the option for crew quarter up in the bow as well. This owner has gone for an offset double to port, settee and storage to starboard. The white panelling there giving a nice bright and airy feel to the cabin. Forward of this, you have a full width owner's shower and bathroom. It's a bit of carbon on the surfaces there. Good sized shower stall. Beautifully appointed, spacious and bright and airy saloon. Lots of natural light. Double aft cabin to port, which is again ensuite, lots of stowage. Good sized separate shower stall. And again, nice little bit of carbon on the surfaces there. Forward facing nav station. A little detail there of the concealed switch panel. And that's it. Very quick peek over the Solaris 60. Thank you very much.